There. Hope you are doing well. So here we have the same kind of same passage with another question, and the direction for question is answer the following questions based on the information given below. Well, we have understood the text. Let's move to the question. So the question stated here: which of the following can be inferred about Vladimir and Estragon from the passage on waiting for Godot? So, if we look into the passage where waiting for Godot information is given here, take Beckett's waiting for Godot, Vladimir and Estragon, the protagonist, engage in repetitive, nonsensical dialogue while endlessly waiting for a Godot who never arrives. The play thrives on the character's futile attempt to find meaning, clinging to the hope of Godot's arrival as a symbol of order and purpose. Isn't it? However, the audience is left with gnawing suspicion Godot may not exist. This highlights the character and perhaps humanity's predicament, searching for meaning in a fundamental meaningless existence. Now, what does it say? Which of the following can be inferred? Inferred about Vladimir and Estragon from the passage on waiting for Godot. Now, looking at the choice, the first choice stated they are filled with the optimism that Godot will arrive. Right? Can it be inferred? No, it cannot be. Actually, it contradicts the passage. So they question Godot's arrival, not wait with unwavering optimism, isn't it? So in that case, it is wrong to say that they are filled with optimism. So this option is eliminated. Option two stated they possess a clear understanding of the purpose behind their wait for Godot. So in this case, if we look at the option two is also incorrect as the purpose of their wait remains unclear throughout the play. So it is, you can say that unclear, right? Then the third choice stated that they find a sense of solace and meaning in their companionship with each other. Now, option three stated what they find a solace. They find a sense of solace. Solace means called as like alone or lonely, and meaning in their companionship with each other. So we can say that um, despite the absurdity of their situation, they find solace and meaning in their companionship, and that's what we can find out from the uh, paragraph which is given in the second part of the passage, where it is stated playwrights like Samuel Beckett and Eugene Ionesco revel in the absurdity of the human condition. Take Beckett's Waiting for Godot, engage in repetitive, nonsensical dialogue, right? So, and while continuously waiting for a goddess who never arrives, right? So, their play thrives on the character's futile attempt to find meaning, clinging to the hope of goddess' arrival as a symbol of order and purpose. However, the audience is left with gnawing suspicion goddess may not exist. This highlights the characters and perhaps a humility's predicament, searching for meaning in a fundamentally meaningless existence. So we can say that option three would be a correct choice as far as we talk about the absurdity of their situation. They find solace and meaning in their companionship, isn't it? So therefore, we can say option three is correct, a correct inference to the question given. Look at the option four. They believe that situation is inherently positive and hopeful for Godot's arrival. So, no, this cannot be also true. It is not supported by the passage. There is no evidence they view the situation as positive, inherently positive or hopeful. So, hence, we can consider option three is correct. One, two, four are incorrect as for the reason I told. I hope you understood this. Let's move to the next question.